Mrs. Shipley?
You don't know how Bournemouth and Wrexham are doing, do you?
There is now a brand new football game.
Wigan 3, Macclesfield 3.
And it kicks off with a £2 million jackpot. Buy a £1 match ticket from any national lottery machine and you'll receive 11 randomly chosen matches.
Scunthorpe, Mansfield. What do you reckon, Sydney?
If 8 of your matches are score draws, you could be one of our jackpot winners.
1, Dumbarton 1.
Saturdays will never be the same. Vernon's Easy Play. Every week, it's a whole new ball game.
Nature, Jeff. Isn't it wonderful?
Yes, love.
You can almost reach out and touch them.
Broken or chipped windscreen? Just call Autoglass. We'll come to you and fix it on the spot, wherever you are. We'll take care of everything, even your insurance company.
Sometimes they look so human.
For car glass, automatically think Autoglass.
Index store, you can pick up a lot more than just the latest catalogue. There's a superb range of top brands, including leisure, electrical, jewellery and household goods, all at the lowest possible prices. Plus, Index Extra, our home shopping catalogue, offers a massive range of top brand fashion direct to your door or Index store. Index, the lowest possible prices in catalogue shopping, and that's a promise.
Jimmy! Yeah, you forgotten? It's Brighton today! Get move on!
Suit you!
Your hands touch so much of your life. Every day they carry germs around your home. Germs that some other antibacterial liquid soaps may leave behind. But Dettol antibacterial liquid wash has a delicate, fresh fragrance and is specially formulated to help keep the natural moisture in your skin, leaving your hands clean, soft and protected. Dettol antibacterial liquid wash.
New spicy twiglets.
Windscreen light. Windscreen misses, yeah?
If you need a new windscreen, don't come to us, we'll come to you.